Welcome to Snook's Dream Cars.
Snook's Dream Cars is a Harvest Host location in Bowling Green, Ohio. There is a very impressive collection of cars inside, as well as many other collectibles. Snook's Dream Cars is a must-see if you're passing through Bowling Green, Ohio. To see more of Snook's Dream Cars, visit our channel, Gypsy Crossroads, for a full episode on these gorgeous vehicle restorations.